Hello guys, कैसे हो सारे? I hope you are doing great. And I am back with another video of briefly explaining you my own blog. See, I have understood that okay, my blogs are mostly focused on C2s and CEOs who are in the founding space as well as A and B series round as well as who are trying to save some cost of living. So that's why I thought okay, if I wanted to explain it in more detail and also to reach out to a bigger audience, I will be explaining them out in a simple layman's language. So I welcome you all to the video. You can say it's not a big gimmick and it's not something that would change the whole ecosystem or system, but it's something that genuinely has helped me as well as a problem as a DevOps and cloud engineer as well as an AWS manager. I have found those things that okay, sometimes I also when I diagnose some issues, I found it hard to remember that okay, what I did at that point of time at 3 a.m. मैंने क्या किया था. Exactly, I am unable to recall many of the things, and the RCA document gets purely messed up. And then I have to hear from my seniors कि भाई क्या कर रहे हो यार. And so to eliminate all those kind of chaos and stuff, I thought, okay, what if we can automate that stuff using AI and stuff, AI and things. So I sat down and I thought, कि हाँ भाई, there would be some sort of services. What if we use some sort of services that can help us out? These mostly AWS services, as I'm an AWS community builder. Promote the करेंगे भाई, surely. So those stuff I'm currently rolling out to you to have a look, have an understanding कि भाई हाँ ये चीजें काम करेगी नहीं करेगी, जो भी तुम्हारे थॉट से जो भी तुमको लगता है कि हाँ भाई इट्स नॉट टेक्निकली फीजिबल, नो इट्स कॉस्ट इम्पेरेटिव, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा कॉस्टिंग है, ये है वो है, जो भी तुम्हारे दिमाग में आ रहा है, फील फ्री टू पुट आउट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, गालियाँ देना है गालियाँ दे दो, बट आई एम ओपन फॉर प्रॉपर, मुझे अच्छा लगता है मीन्स टेक्निकल डिस्कशन करना वो समझ. तो चलो मैं 10 बार एडजस्ट करने वाला हूँ मेरा कैमरामैन बिकॉज आई नो दैट आई हैव ग्रीन स्क्रीन समटाइम messes up with me all the way. So it is purely CTO targeting one, but still I will be mostly explaining you in the layman's language. So it explains you current status of okay. You got a 3 a.m. call or you got a paper duty notification that okay, something is gone wrong at your server, and you try and you wake up at 3 a.m. or 2 a.m., whatever it can be, a timing, a random time, which is not our brain are properly active and so. So we try to gamble things out. We try to put out some or the other random commands in the CLI and we try to make things work. That's our main goal to at least keep the things ongoing. कि भाई जो भी चल रहा है वो at least चले. It should not be face any kind of downtime. So I thought, okay, what if as an I'm also an AI engineer, so what if we architected the thing in a certain manner that okay, I will be receiving the post-mortem phone directly to my Slack. Okay, last time it was fixed like this. You can try it this way as well. So in this section, I will be purely explaining you how the architecture is, and you don't need to worry about Hare Bapre, some kind of a big thing. He will be saying some kind of big words. No, I will try to be as simple as that. I will make sure that okay, if I am even explaining to an 6-year-old or 5-year-old, I will be able to. If I am explaining to 6-year-old, 5-year-old, but still, as an AI engineer prompt दे देकर मैं पागल हो चुका हूँ, तो मैं उसी बारे में बात. So ठीक है. So now the whole architecture is divided into 4 parts. Firstly, the incident. Second, the orchestrator. Third, the AI investigator. And fourth is the knowledge loop. So firstly, the incident. Whenever incident will happen, the incident will be triggered by the SSM Incident Manager of AWS. It's a service which is offered by AWS, which helps you to get errors logged to your own CloudWatch as well as Excel. So this kind of things help us to trace, okay, what's going on, what's currently logs are coming, what are the things currently going on. Then on-call engineer will look into the AWS Cloud Trail, every API call recorded. So after diagnosing that, then it will goes to the orchestration layer. In that we have SSM incident, then it will trigger an event bridge, which will trigger a Lambda, and then AI investigation will start. What Lambda function will do, Lambda function will firstly get all the logs which are till now and the incident happened. It will get all those logs, combine and set to Amazon Bedrock. Simple, any kind of LLM you wanted to go with. Claude Sonnet 3.5, 5, whatever you prefer. You can directly put out it and just you need to put out a simple prompt to the Amazon Bedrock, which will be like you are a principal SRE, analyze these CloudWatch error logs to find out root cause. Then look at the sequence of CloudTrail API calls the engineer ran to stop the outage. Write blameless RCA. Write a blameless RCA root cause analysis explaining what broke and step-by-step runbook for fixing what if it happens again. So that output will be taken down in the formats of Markdown. It opens up a pull request in your infra repo, something like docs add runbook for DB connection pool exhaustion means that's an incident which got recovered. Once it merged, Amazon Q index. See, this is the repo. The, this Lambda function will create a PR. The GitHub repo will will allow it to get merged to it, and then Amazon Q business will index it. Means it's a RAG which will be like available for us. Next time, whenever the same alarm fires, Q can drop a state message to the incident channel of any Slack below, whatever preferably you use team and so it will drop and proper message to you that okay, see, I see the DB pool is exhausted. Last time this happened, Sarah fixed it by throttling the checkout lambda. Here is the runbook. Want me to execute it? It provides you in this way. And now we will talk about what is the cost. What is the hidden cost behind this? It might go a ton of it. Don't worry, guys. I'm that guy who thinks cost as well as efficiency um in both manners, in the both best way manners. कि भाई दोनों में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए. Based on cost, the output should be great. Based on output, the cost should be justified. So firstly, I will explain कि भाई क्या होता है अगर if we aren't able to prepare the proper RCA. So let's give it a simple example. If a runbook takes an engineer maybe 2 hours, though write and format, maintenance rate of $75 per hour, that's $150 per incident, which is no joke. Even though that guy uses AI and stuff, still it's gonna take it. Plus whatever context switching cost you don't see on in one. Running the equivalent through Bedrock, it's roughly guessing 20,000 token, which will be far more less than that. Like it, yes, 20,000 token is a justifiable token assumption. CloudTrail and CloudWatch JSON into Sonnet 3.5 at $3 per million input tokens cost roughly around $0.06 and a 200 token markdown RCA back from $15 per million token output costs around 0.003. Call it 0.009 total. The cost savings are the easy part to sell. The bigger the point that captures institutional knowledge that normally evaporates the moment incident and the how Sarah actually fixed it usually only lives in the person. So this is the cost arbitrage. I'm not kidding. I have verified this one. You can try it out as well. Simple stuff. Or you can directly go to ChatGPT or Claude, provide my current blog, and tell him I want to experiment this on my own, how I could. So it will provide you brief overview, okay, how it can be done. These are the Lambda functions you need to write, and so on and so forth. So this is all about the self-writing RCA root cause analysis. And guys, that's it my time. I hope you like the video, please. And you wonder why this guy is doing this. Just for fun. I was getting bored at around 11:58 a.m. PM, sorry, PM. So I thought let's create a video. Why should I only get bothered. So this is all about the video and feel free to reach out to me. I have added my LinkedIn, my all the stuff, but only for technical discussion. I preferably not entertain any kind of other discussion that, hey bro, please give me reference. Sorry for that. Like, I am unemployed sometimes. I am also unemployed sometimes. So keeping those things in mind, feel free to talk to me. And that's it for my side. Guys, see you.